Hi guys! So, I'm back and magkwentuhan muna tayo guys. So, I've been gone for more than a week and I really apologize for that. Kasi for the past few for the last week kasi guys, my granny passed away. So, pumunta kami sa Bohol guys, so that we can see her for the last time. At nilibing na siya guys. It's really unfortunate and wala akong gana na mag-film guys eh. So yes, I'm really sorry. And ayun po, nag-absent po ako in school for a few days guys. Unfortunately, I also missed my first day of school. So naka-uniform na po ako. Magsa-school ako ng 1 guys, ng 1 PM. Kasi I missed school for the past week kasi kailangan namin pumunta sa Bohol guys. So, kasi we had to attend Granny's wake and funeral, and it was really sad, guys. Namimiss ko na siya. So, yan. I'm back na, guys, and I still have school, but I will make sure I have time para mag-upload so that para maka-update naman ako sa life guys, at least. So ayan, kumakain ako ng guys, biscuit galing sa Bohol. Ang sarap nito guys. Goal ko kasi sa school na gusto ko kasi maging valedictorian kasi 6th grader na ako, mag-graduate na ako. Kaya goal ko talaga maging valedictorian. Madami naman akong chance na maging valedictorian, pero each time it gets harder. So kaya I'm taking my chance this grade. Kung kaya ng iba, baka kaya ko guys. Kasi dati hindi ko naranasan mag-graduate kasi merong pandemic. So ayan guys, I think that's all for today. Sana naman maintindihan nyo na this is why I was gone for a few days. And I will make sure naman na magpo-post ako, mag-update ako sa live. And I think that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!